Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy here, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and hopefully you'll be informed when new videos pop up. Now, I've made a couple of orders lately, one of which arrived today. Little box but heavy, so there's lots of goodies in here. I'm going to try and open it without killing myself. And also, I ordered some stuff from a printer's. I ordered myself a bumper sticker and some window kind of adverts, business cards, and stickers, and I think I ordered a bag to see what it looked like. So yeah, I'm gonna hopefully when that arrives have a little look, but they'll probably be awful because I designed them and they probably weren't the best. Ouch, pictures. Well, I didn't kill myself, but I certainly, oh, that's a bit stiff. Stabbed myself a little with the knife. Anyway, we're in the box. Yay, we're in the box. So it's quite a packed little box. Oh no, it's got noodles. You know, quavers. That's going to go everywhere. Just saying. So yeah, I ordered some more of these fabulous little yarn ball stitch markers. Been extremely popular, so I figured I'd best get some more. Oh, why noodles? Why? And so yeah, there's a few packs of those, and there's more. There's even more. So there's lots to go around. Did I cut myself? No. And now we're kind of getting there, I think. Wow, this is heavy. Heavy. Take those down. I love getting packages, but I don't like packaging. I don't mind bubble wrap because you can have endless hours of fun. I was short of a pack of needles. These are cute. Love these rainbow colours. They do have some that have got different colours in, like they just don't tell you what colours they send in, but there's green ones and all sorts, but there's little bent end needles with a nice big eye. I struggle to get those sometimes. Right, so I'm going to move the box and I'm going to try and put all the noodles that have escaped. More than that escaped, I know it. I'll be finding them forever. Okay, so let's just close that so they can't escape no more. Right, so we've got a fair few packs of yarn ball stitch markers because when people order from me, from Hobby Rocks, I like to put in a stitch marker as a little free gift. Plus, people do like to buy the packs of these, and I've sold lots already. So I've got some more. And you'll be pleased to know I'm fully now restocked upon these gorgeous, beautiful, iridescent rainbow guitar shaped scissors, which I absolutely love. Now these are my pair and they cut so well. Now, as I said before, I did order a pair of gold ones from Hobby. You might have seen them on some of my tutorials. They cut nothing, to be honest with you. The times I go to cut an end of yarn, and I have to do it a few times because they arrive like that. I should have sent them back, but you know, it's such a kerfuffle and they're not exactly local. But I could have at least complained, but they were rubbish, absolute rubbish. They were shaped like a stalk, and I thought they'd be like my stalk ones, and they're not. So now on my website, hobbyrocks.co.uk, and there is a voucher code for June, I have guitar shaped rainbow. I love them. I absolutely love them so much. And I have several, so I won't go out of stock, hopefully, for a little while. I mean, I did order lots before and they just flew out the door. But as well as guitar shape, I did get a few of these butterfly ones. Oh, look how cute they are. They're gorgeous, aren't they? Little butterflies. Now, I didn't get so many of these. I only got a few, so the stocks won't last. How many did I get? They're all guitars. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 5. 5 butterflies. See how they do. I didn't order enough of the guitars in the first place. But yeah, I haven't ordered a massive amount, but I have restocked of these. So anybody who's been waiting for them, and I know they've been very popular, some people have ordered more than one, I guess as little gifts, I don't know, but I do have a fair few in stock now. That's basically what's in this parcel. But I forgot to mention this morning when I did my rocks chat, that I had said that I might do the Christmas in July fairies from Hobby Rocks, because Hobby Rocks has got a big shop with lots of stock and would be fun. But well, I don't know if it's unfortunate or not, I missed the cut-off date, so I can't take part. And when I first heard that, I thought, oh, it's only a day. Maybe couldn't I just squeeze in? But the answer to that was no. And when I read the amount of rules, I don't know if I want to be in something with that many kind of rigid rules. When it was first started, and I was one of the first ones in the very first year, it didn't come with all those rules. And you know me, I'm a kind of a unruly person, you know. I don't schedule, I'm not one for rules, and so yeah, I think what I'll do is I'll do my own Hobby Rocks giveaway. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna, what guise that would take. I was sitting there in bed last night and I thought maybe I'll choose 6 skeins of any yarn from my website, but then, you know, you might want accessories, so I don't know, I might just say a value, or I don't know how that would work. Tell me what you think. What would you like as my very first Hobby Rocks giveaway? It won't be on this channel, it'll be on the channel Hobby Rocks. So, because I'm trying to build that up. I'm also trying to build this up, obviously. I mean, I'm approaching 10k and I really want to get there. But I want to, because it is a Hobby Rocks thing, I want to kind of do it as a Hobby Rocks giveaway where you can choose maybe a pair of scissors if there's any left by that time. You know, maybe accessories, I don't know. Or shall I just get a collection of things from Hobby Rocks and say this is the giveaway? What do you think would be the best way to go about it? So yeah, that's my little announcement. There will be no fairy. Maybe I'll just be an angel instead. My own angel of one. And but I'm going to do, before I even thought of joining that, I was going to do a Hobby Rocks giveaway, because, you know, it's been going a little while now, and lots of people have loved the site, and, you know, I just thought I might do it. So I'm not sure what guise it will take. Hoping you guys can help me come to a decision on that. And I hope you like my little scissors. Aren't they adorable? The guitar ones are slightly bigger, see? But oh, aren't they cute, these little butterfly ones? They're just really sweet. So I now have stalks, guitars and butterflies. I love my little stalk scissors. I've used them, well, ever since I very first saw them, and I got a pair, and I always wished I'd got more. So I'm kind of glad now that I can get as many as I want, because I always lose them. They're small, and you know, you put them down and it's like your hooks gone. But now I have an endless supply. But at least I have the nasty ones that don't work from Hobby, the gold ones, bit bigger, harder to lose, but nevertheless they don't really cut that well. You have to keep doing it. And my lovely little rainbow stalk ones, and these, and my guitar ones, which are here somewhere. Anyway, that's my little video for today, showing you what I've ordered and what's come. So I'll let you know when I get all the stationery. Well, it's not really stationery, but stickers and bumper sticker. I got it so that I could attach it to my car, but you know, I don't know whether people would want to have one on theirs. But yeah, I got a little door one, I got a window one for putting somewhere, and basically I needed to make my order up because I would have got free shipping. So I figured I'd get the business cards, I'd get the stickers, and then I looked and it still wasn't enough. So I thought, okay, so I put a bag in there. Looked, basically still not enough. I don't know if I got the bag actually. I think they advertised the bag a price of one, but when I made it and I looked at it, they wanted to charge me for 25 of them, and I thought, and I wanted to push my order up to get free shipping, but I didn't want to spend that kind of money. So I think that one I deleted. It was very late last night, at 3 a.m. when I was looking and doing this. So yeah, I did order a few things anyway that I know I will use. So when they arrive, at least I can get a look at them. They do t-shirts, they do bags, they do cups and pens and all the usual stuff. So yeah, I might get a few things as and when. Anyway, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about the giveaway, how it should go. And I've got a little while to kind of tweak it and then get it on there. I mean, when I do a giveaway here, I just show you what the giveaway is, tell you what the question is, but for that one I just wanted it to be slightly different. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and for those of you who've been waiting for my rock guitars to come back in, here they are. Oh, a nice cute little butterfly. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.